How to turn off live captions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Scroll down to go to the Hearing section and tap on Live Captions. Your iPhone uses on-device intelligence to automatically display captions across all apps. Then, turn off the Live Captions option over here. You have now successfully turned off live captions. This way, you get more control over your experience on the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off live captions on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.